this podcast has this section where we talk about nature and we ask people that we believe that they can teach us. The idea is not only talk about nature or whatever we're talking about, but also make an action, which is the section of called a la Pacha, which means back to earth. What were we doing this morning?
Well, we were just doing like a very targeted and timed disturbance to a system that is emerging as a forest, and we've selectively planted things or strategically planted things to assist that process of a forest emerging. And it's that disturbance that facilitates growth.
Yeah. All those were planted together.
This was April, yeah.
Even that pigeon pea seed. I don't know, that might have just been from throwing around. But that's going to come up. And yeah, basically most of this will be sacrificial. And probably the mulberry is going to end up being the target species. Mm-hmm. But in the process of getting to there, yeah, it's a matter of managing those other plants that are with it. Yeah. By chopping and dropping them appropriately as you go, each pulse.
This there might be the target.
Yeah, jackfruit there eventually, so that mulberry is actually sacrificial.
Yeah.
Because it's too close to that jackfruit.
What do you mean when
That's
you say
the target species.
sacrificial? Like you won't be able to get those fruits. You just want that as a biomass for the ground?
You'll still get
fruit. If you're planning correctly, right, then you have in your mind an idea of how it's going to finish up. And you know what you want in the canopy when it's ready, when it's finished, when it's basically, a climax system, right? So sacrificial is everything that doesn't make it to that. Okay, in the scheme of things. In a forest, no one's really managing it. So you end up with trees like right next to each other. You can even get 3 or 4 species fused together and become like one tree. Yeah. Like, I've seen that. But when we're managing it, we have an idea in mind of where we want to go.